What is ADHD? ADHD stands for Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. It is a neurodevelopmental disorder that affects a person's ability to pay attention, control impulsivity, and regulate their level of activity. People with ADHD may have difficulty focusing on tasks, following through on instructions, and may be easily distracted. They may also have a hard time sitting still and may exhibit impulsive behavior. ADHD is often diagnosed in childhood, but it can also affect adults. It is typically treated with a combination of medication and therapy. What are the 9 symptoms of ADHD? There are 9 symptoms of ADHD that are used to diagnose the disorder. These symptoms are grouped into 2 categories: inattention and hyperactivity impulsivity. Inattention symptoms include 1. Difficulty paying attention to details or making careless mistakes in schoolwork or other activities. 2. Difficulty staying focused on tasks or activities, such as conversations, lectures, or lengthy readings. 3. Difficulty following instructions or completing tasks. 4. Difficulty organizing tasks and activities, such as keeping a clean workspace or meeting deadlines. 5. Avoiding or disliking tasks that require sustained mental effort, such as homework or projects. 6. Losing things like toys, school supplies, or important papers. 7. Being easily distracted by unrelated thoughts or stimuli. 8. Forgetting daily activities or appointments. Hyperactivity impulsivity symptoms include 1. Fidgeting or squirming when seated. 2. Difficulty remaining seated when required. 3. Excessive running or climbing in inappropriate situations. 4. Difficulty playing quietly or engaging in leisure activities quietly. 5. Excessive talking. 6. Blurting out answers before questions have been completed. 7. Difficulty waiting for his or her turn. 8. Interrupting or intruding on others. It's important to note that everyone exhibits some of these behaviors at times, and it's only when they become severe and persistent that they may indicate ADHD. To be diagnosed with ADHD, a person must exhibit 6 or more of these symptoms in the inattention category, or 6 or more in the hyperactivity impulsivity category, or a combination of 6 or more from both categories. How do you know if you have ADHD? There are several ways to determine if you or someone you know may have ADHD. The most common way is to see a healthcare professional, such as a doctor or a mental health specialist. They will ask questions about your behavior and symptoms and may also conduct a physical examination to rule out other possible causes of the symptoms. They may also ask about your medical history and any medications you are taking. To be diagnosed with ADHD, a person must have 6 or more symptoms of inattention and/or 6 or more symptoms of hyperactivity impulsivity. These symptoms must also be present for at least 6 months and must be causing significant impairment in at least 2 areas of a person's life, such as school, work, or relationships. It's important to keep in mind that only a qualified healthcare professional can diagnose ADHD. If you think you or someone you know may have ADHD, it's important to speak to a healthcare professional for a proper evaluation.